If you want to permanently stop Google Maps from tracking and saving your location history, you need to disable Timeline, also known as Location History. This ensures your movements are no longer recorded or stored in your Google account. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Location tracking is tied directly to your account, so changes here will apply across all devices. Next, click your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select your timeline. This opens a map view of your past movements and visited places. Inside Timeline, look for the Settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. Click it to access your location tracking controls. From here, select Location History Settings. This is where Google controls whether your device activity is saved over time. To stop tracking permanently, turn off Location History. Google will ask you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, select Pause or Turn Off depending on the option shown on your screen. After doing this, your timeline will no longer record new visits or movements. You can return to it anytime, but it will no longer update with new data. For stronger privacy, you can also go one step further by opening your Google account settings under Data and Privacy. Here, you can disable web and app activity, which further reduces tracking from other Google services, including map searches and navigation history. Once both settings are turned off, Google Maps will no longer store your location history in Timeline. You will still be able to use Maps normally for navigation, searching, and directions, but without long-term tracking of your movements. And that's how you permanently turn off location tracking in Google Maps Timeline. Open your timeline, go to Settings, disable Location History, and adjust your Google account privacy settings for full control.